Look at that big old meter. Thing is huge. So I was at this building last week replacing some Price Pfister stems and seats, and the water wouldn't stop. I had this all the way closed, and so we sat around and we waited for like 30 minutes, 45 minutes, and the water would not stop. I was telling him, I said, look, it is likely this old gate valve is not closing. So I'm going to chop it, and install a Viega Pro Press. Before we do that, we need to turn off the water to the building. And I hate the rain. So we need to get this guy right here. The old toolceptions. The old toolceptions. That ain't budging, bro. So let's see about this one. Yeah, that one's gonna spin. Okay, that one closed. That other one, All right, I can tell that that is shutting off the water for sure. And now let's just send this outside. Still draining. They're 170 something bucks on supplyhouse.com. But if you get this at a plumbing supply, it'll be closer to 230 bucks. I think these are like 30 bucks, slip couplings. Got the big boys. I rarely use them. I've probably used them like 4 or 5 times. So when I cut copper and I'm trying to make a clean cut, I always use a higher TPI blade. And in one of the other videos I uploaded, we were demoing out some Galvi, and I was literally using whatever blade I found on the floor of the truck just so we could get the stuff out, and people are like, oh, you're using the wrong blade, can't use that blade. Like, dude, relax, it doesn't matter, we're just demoing out, and I'm trying to use up not new blades. I'm trying to get rid of the blades I already have that are dull. But my comment to that was, when I want to make a clean cut, I use a higher TPI. And for this one specifically, I want to try and cut as clean as possible. So, that's that. Okay. Look at this big old sucker. Ugh. If I collected copper, I'd probably get a whole $3 for this thing. Maybe more. But for now, this is gonna go right here. And I just busted my finger where I cut it last week. Wonderful. Hey, I got the meter box open right there. It's LA, bro. Anybody's looking for a reason to cause issues. I don't want anybody falling in that thing. All right. Let's press away. What do you say? Now, some up close action. Oof. Love it, dude. Love it. Insertion depths are all still perfect. Boy, oh boy, these jaws don't want to go on. There you go. Make sure those suckers are on there. Ooh, big boy press, bro. Whew. I love using the 2-inch, dude. Those are my favorite, dude. All right, there you go. That's it, folks. That's it. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right, let's turn the, whatchamacallit back on. The water, what do you say? All right, some of you guys are always asking about the meter, where it is, and so that's the meter, obviously, and then it goes underground, and then it pops up right there. The 2-inch, the bigger one, is the main for the building right there. So it goes from the meter, probably 45s right here, or it goes all the way up in 90s, I don't know. All right, the water is back on. Slowly fill the building. Slow. See how it's not so loud anymore? And you go a little bit more, and then you don't hear it at all, and then boom, you're open. That's how I like to do it. I like to really be cautious with that, you know. So, that's it, folks. I say folks a lot. Someone made that comment. I say that a lot. I sound like an old man. Okay. No leaks. Looks good, man. Looks good. All right, bro. I tried. What else? What else? Don't forget to lube this with some WD and the chuck. Swizzle. All right, later.